Hi guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to use landscape mode on iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and want to use your landscape mode, then I'll help you how to do this. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to open your settings, and guys, you need to click on general, and guys, after clicking on it, you need to click on software update. And guys, first of all, you need to update your iPhone to latest version iOS 17. So guys, after updating your iPhone, then guys, you need to go back. And guys, simply you need to here scroll down, as you can see. And guys, you will find your control center here. So guys, as you can see here is the option of landscape mode. So guys, if turn on, then guys, simply you need to turn off your portrait mode. And guys, after turning off, automatically your landscape mode will be turned on in your iPhone. So guys, by doing this method, you will be able to turn on your landscape mode. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.